We'll be learning an essential word for the trips. In Masters of Genie word of today, we have chamadan. Chamadan. Chamadan is a loan word. No matter who says what, look for official use. This is the word you will hear because chamadan is a suitcase or a travel bag. Let's explore it in phrases and then sentences. To pack a suitcase, chamadanı yığmak. Yığmak, to pack, to collect, the literal translation. To carry a suitcase, çamadan taşımak. Taşımak, the literal translation also. It's just to carry. To grab the travel bag, travel seyahat. Çamadanını götürmek, grab, to take, götürmek in this case, the literal translation, but grab fits well as well. Now, sentences. Seher tezdən uçuşa gecikməmək üçün geyimlərimi səliqəylə çamadana yığdım. Siyahımı yenidən yoxladım ve artık lazım olmayan eşyaları kenara koydum. Should have done earlier, but let's see why I'm saying this. Early in the morning, to avoid being late for the flight, I neatly packed my clothes into the suitcase, checked my list again, and set aside the items no longer needed. Seher tezdən, early in the morning, uçuş, flight, gecikməmək üçün, to avoid being late, geyimlərimi, my clothes, səliqəylə, neatly, çamadana yığdım, packed into the suitcase. Siyahımı yenidən yoxladım, siyah is the list, yenidən, again, yoxladım, checked ve artık lazım olmayan eşyaları, and items no longer needed, kenara koydum, set aside. Long sentence. Let's see another one. Yağış qəfil güclənəndə ağır çamadanı liftdən çıxarıb taksiyə qədər ehtiyatla daşıdım. Çünki içində həm hədiyyələr, həm də kövrək sənədlər var idi. Interesting. When the rain suddenly intensified, I carefully carried the heavy suitcase because from the elevator to the taxi because it held both gifts and fragile documents. Fragile, kövrək. It doesn't really fit for documents, but you can use it. Yağış qəfil güclənəndə, when the rain suddenly intensified, yağış, rain, qəfil suddenly intensified, güclənmək, to get stronger. Ağır çamadanı, the heavy suitcase, liftdən çıxarıb, carried from the elevator, from the elevator, basically took out from the elevator. That's the literal translation. But you got the meaning. Taksiye kadar, to the taxi, till the taxi, literally. Ehtiyatla, carefully, taşıdım, that's the one, carried. Çünkü, because, içinde, meaning inside, hem hediyeler, both gifts, hem de kövrək sənədlər var idi. And fragile documents. Now, today's word was çamadan, essential travel item. But, yeah, that took use. If packing were a sport, my çamadan would still lose. So not good there. Now, I have mastersofj.com where I post every 10 days, more than here in terms of grammatical, cultural, historical aspects. Check it out. I also have Masters of Genie app available in App and Google stores. Check that out as well because I'm giving Module 1 free. That is essential, that will help you build foundations you need in terms of learning the language. Well, I'll see you tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.